In this video, I will show you how to attach the side piece to the base piece. This is the side piece, this is the divider piece, and this is base. So I will start. You can start from corner or anywhere else you want. Okay, we will leave some wire here. Same procedure. Leave one hole and the next hole. Back, front, like this. Take it to the back through to the base piece, and then bring it forward to the side piece like this. Leave one hole between them. Take it back to the base, bring it out the front to the side piece like this. Okay, now we are at the corner, so same. I will not leave the hole. I will do the back and the front. Then what I'm doing is I'm creasing the side piece. Okay, so again take it back the corner hole and bring it out to the front to the base piece, but it's the next one, not the same one. Okay, and take it back base piece, bring it out front side piece, leave one hole, take it back, bring it to the front, and this is how you will complete it. Okay, so I hope you understood what I taught you here, and for the full tutorial you can find the full tutorial on my blog. Allah Hafiz, bye bye.